Chris from Bolton Technical here again. Today we're going to look at something new. I think you guys are going to like it. Today we're going to take a look at the Bolton Technical portable signal unit. And we're going to get this thing put up on the table and we're going to discuss a little bit. But you're going to be really excited about what this thing does and how it looks. Total signal unit and also cellular service and router all inside of a box. So I'm going to set it up on the table now and we're going to get a good look at it, see what you guys think at it. So let's get her done.
All right, hey guys, this is Andrew and Chris here from Bolton Technical, and today we're going to be demoing our portable signal unit to you guys. So this is a unit that we designed specifically for guys who are in remote locations, who are on temporary job sites, emergency response guys who need a temporary setup to ensure that their comms are set up. We've got a WeBoost signal booster in here, and we've got a Bolton Technical Cat6 router in as well. So the purpose of this is you're typically going to put it inside a establishment probably no more than about 1,500 square foot. We are going to position an outside Yagi antenna that's going to pick up signal from our nearest cell tower. We're going to run that cable in here to a booster that's they're going to project the signal inside the building, and our LTE router is going to pick up from there and give you guys pretty fast internet, so you can connect your laptops, connect your phones, you can upload, download images, and yeah, basically fully functional. So Chris is going to open up the box for you and we're going to show you what we got inside.
Okay guys, let's take a look inside here. Really exciting stuff inside here, like Andrew said. Let's go ahead and start talking and we'll go from the top down. First thing you're going to see is you're going to see a panel antenna inside here. This is going to be broadcasting the signal from the WeBoost 60 dB, so you can actually pick up the signal inside here. On the back side of it, we actually placed a metal plate inside here, so when you actually position your antennas and turn this around, you won't get that oscillation happening inside the system. Okay, again, here's the Wilson WeBoost that we discussed already, which is 1,500 square feet, very powerful, and we really like this one. The other thing that you mentioned is the Bolton Blazer. This is a Cat6 LTE router with dual SIMs. So you can actually put two different SIM types in here, AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon, your choice. And it is actually a 2.4 gigahertz and a 5 gigahertz router. The antennas actually just flip up here, and this is where the signal is actually going to broadcast down to your router. The next thing we have is we have an internal plug on here where you can actually plug this system in too. But the most exciting thing about this is it runs on battery power. And when I show you the batteries, you're going to love it. This here is actually the unit over here that actually powers it up. Your switch on, switch off, a battery level, which will let you know when the batteries are going down, along with plugs in here where you can actually plug your laptops, your phones in, and everything else. So let's go ahead and let's flip this lid up, and we're going to take a look at what's underneath. First thing you're going to see under here is the actual power unit that you can plug the system into that comes over to the power plug. Right here is the battery clip. As you can see, this is a lithium battery. This is basically something that will go on a drill, and this thing will run for 9 hours, and we give you two of them, so it'll do 18 hours. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to clip in. Basically, you put it in here, you're good to go. Things are starting up. The next thing you're going to find is an additional battery that'll give you 18 hours lifetime. We have a quick disconnect, which goes on our Yagi antenna that we're going to set up outside, and I'm going to show you how this works. Our Bolton Technical Yagi antenna that we're going to set up outside and point towards the tower. We have our tripod, which fits inside the case, that actually has the quick disconnect. And we have 50 foot of LMR 400 cable inside here to make sure we got that distance between the two antennas so we don't get oscillation, and very powerful. So what we're going to do next is Andrew and I are going to get this thing set up. We're going to get it spun around, get things in position. We're going to fire it up, and we're going to see what this thing will do. You guys are going to like it. So here we are, guys. We got our tripod set up, and I told you that we had a quick disconnect. This thing's a beautiful little thing that we designed here, so we can set this thing up so easy that you don't have to mess around with brackets or anything. So we actually mounted this quick disconnect on this bracket here on the Yagi. And basically all you have to do is put this thing up here and screw it in. And look at there. There's our antenna, guys. Set up 100%, quick, easy, painless. So here we go. We got our Yagi set up. We got our tripod set up. So we got our LMR 400 out here with our reel. And I'm going to show you that this is a beautiful thing here because you're not going to have to unravel cable, and it's not going to unspool. It's not going to kink. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect this up here. And I'm going to have Andrew help me, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to unreel your cable out and in on this guy. So as soon as he holds that, or you want to take it? Yep. Go ahead and take that. And basically all you have to do is just let it unreel like this, guys. Once we get done with this and we get it unraveled on the reel, we're going to pop this out. And this is going to screw right into our WiBoost for home right here. And once we get this in here, now we're ready to turn this thing on, spin it around, and get it fired up. So let's go ahead and get it in position, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so I wanted to show you some signal readings. This is an iPhone 11. I am on the T-Mobile network here in Round Top, Texas. So inside this metal building, about 1,000 square foot, I've got about 1 bar, either no bars or 1 bar of coverage. So what we're going to do is we're going to power on the PSU, which make sure that the battery is inserted properly. This is our on-off switch. Green lights on the booster show that the unit is firing, and boom, automatically I've jumped straight to full coverage on the on my iPhone. You guys saw that live in action. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my cellular connection, and I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi, which is the Bolton router, and that's a 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Cat 6 LT router. So there's going to be 2 options to connect to, and I'm going to connect to one of them. We're going to check our upload and download speed on it. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to the 5G network for now, as you can see. And right now I'm going to go ahead and run a speed test on the 5G connection. And boom. So you're sitting at about, let's see what it finishes it up. Almost 15 on the download, and and 12 megabits per second on the upload. So if you're out in this barn on a temporary job site, you're fully able to connect your phone, your laptop to the Wi-Fi. You can upload files, you can download files, you can join Zoom calls, you can load videos, you can send emails, you can connect via Teams or Skype or whatever it is. And you know, this is a portable signal unit. We've fully covered both cellular and Wi-Fi in this location. This is a building where there was an absolute dead zone inside, with literally no signal whatsoever inside here. So, thanks guys.